afternoon, ma'am. My name is Senator Pilar, and today I'm going to do a changing garments of a dependent client who has a contracture on the left arm. So the indications of this is indication to have a clean hygiene for patient's comfort and relaxation, and maintaining a sense of routine. So first, I'm going to do the sequence, read and check the chart of the patient, then knock on the patient's room for courtesy. So then introduce yourself. Good morning, sir. My name is Anita Palar. I am your caregiver from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. May I know your name, sir? Then secondly, check the risk tag of the patient. After that, explain the procedure that, sir, I'm going to change your garments for your comfort and relaxation and for you to have any hygiene. After that, check the vital signs of the patient. After checking the vital signs of the patient, ask permission to leave. Sir, I'm going to leave you for a while to prepare the garment. And then, raise side rails up, raise side rails up. Then, go to the nurse station to prepare the garment. And then, do hand washing, wear PPE. After that, go back to the patient's room. So, now, patient's room, wear PPE. Sir, and
Ano lang yan, nagkamali ako kanina. Initial training. Wala kasi yung ano. Wala na. Dagdagan mo lang ng ano. Center. Ito, Pardas Years, Labio Majora. Center mo ka, muna na ito. Constitutive, tapos Labio Majora.
Dapat kasi ito na ito yung mga characteristic basis yun. Tapos ano sunod? Ito color and texture. Kasunod
Ito initial training. Ito lang hindi ko kasi, akala ko hindi ko nasulat ko. Kaya sinadali ako dyan. Ito naman kulang. Sa video kasi yung clean the center saka moisture. Ito depth saka Labio Majora eh. Ito muna.
ito muna. Saka ito. Ito muna.
Ito na lang yung ano. Ito na lang yung
Ito yung una.
basta initial training mo ba ito? Ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Ito wala na to.
Wala na to.
raise the nearest side rails. Then put the patient in lateral position. Raise the nearest arm and the largest arm at the abdomen. Then, bend or flex the knee. Then, support the shoulder and the buttocks of the patient. At the count of 3, position the patient to lateral position. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then, remove the garments to the weak side. Avoid moving too much. Then, cover to avoid exposing. Then, get the new set of upper garments. Find the fold. Expose. Then, insert your hand at the hole. Then, hold the patient's hand. Then, insert the new garments. Avoid moving too much. Then, I'm going to tuck in. Then, place the patient back to supine position. So, cover. So, avoid exposing. Then, pull the garments from below, the one that you tucked in. Then, insert the strong side. Then remove garments from the lower cover. Then get the new set of pajama. Find the hole. Insert your arm to find the hole. Then insert the patient's feet, so expose. Cover to avoid tripping. Then slowly pull up, left, right, left, right. Then fix the garment, fix the bed. Now, I'm done changing the garments of the patient. Then cover the patient. Fix the bed. Now, I'm done changing the garments, so documentation, date and time, the characteristics of the condition